Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegancia Wardrobe. Today in this video I am sharing one of the most beautiful, stylish and gorgeous collection of popular women pointed sandals, ankle warp black buckly stiletto heels, open toe, pretty black fishnet stocking, party shoes which are launched at this time. They are very classy and elegant that you love to see each and every high heel designs like office wear, party wear and casual wear. All of these collection are very comfortable, mostly worn by girls and women. So please keep in touch with this amazing video for more designs and more ideas. When you watch this video till the end, you will know about beautiful designs one by one, and I am sure you will find your choice in this amazing collection. They are very beautiful combination of stiletto heels with black fishnet stockings. All collection are very comfortable, mostly worn by girls and women. So friends, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends, relatives and give your feedback in the comment section. How was your collection and video? So goodbye dear friends. See you soon again with another amazing fashion and collection of women pointed sandals, ankle warp, buckly stiletto heels, open toe, pretty black fishnet stocking, party shoes.